Go ahead.
This is Daniel Ramirez, friend of mine. He's a Chargers fan. We made a bet. He's a man of his word because the Chiefs beat the Chargers, so he's washing my car in a Chiefs jersey and his boxers.
Danny Chargers, you did this to me. I deserve season passes next year. Alright, music, cue.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to